Hey guys, what's up and how are you guys doing? Welcome back to Life Savvy, where we talk about life, wealth, and travel. Now, before we get into the video, please like the video and subscribe to the video. Let me know what you guys think. I'd really appreciate it. Now, let's get back to the video. So, as we come into 2021, we know that we cannot rely on one single income due to the pandemic and how it's affected everybody. So you need to establish multiple streams of income. If you don't know that by now, well, you know now. So I decided to take it upon myself to try out and look for different side hustles, online hustles, and I came to a lot of gurus and a lot of YouTubers about different types of channels or different types of income streams that you can make. So I looked for side hustles that would fit my need and time, which included, how long it would take, what's the reward versus how much work I have to put. And I came across various types of income sources, and I'll tell them to you right now. Some YouTube gurus say to do online service, grow Instagram accounts, social media's account, do e-commerce. Then I came across one that talked about YouTube cash cow channels, and that intrigued me a lot. But I was very skeptical of what they were talking about, so I decided to take it up on myself to go ahead and review what they were talking about. And I'll show you guys some evidence and let me know what you guys think, if this is possible. And I started one and I'll show it to you as well. Okay, so in particular, I found a channel that talked about using instrumental music to make meditation and make classical music, sleeping music, all this other stuff. So I did my research, and I have to have try it myself. As of writing the script, I've had about 7 videos and 10 subscribers, and I have plans hopefully to get a little bit more, get 1,000 I hope, and see if I can monetize this music or how it actually works. This is actually my first time ever doing this. I've never really tried, doing a cash cow channel, so we're gonna see how it works and how it goes. Since some of these YouTube gurus like to put information out there, make the videos, but first they don't show any videos of them doing this. They don't show their channel. They don't show where they're getting this information from, or if they're just copying content from another content creator. And sometimes it's kind of difficult and iffy to believe unless you try it out yourself. So I decided to try this a little different, and I'll document my process maybe weekly if it goes very well, or monthly if it's gaining some tractions month to month, because I know this is a long-term game. This is not a short term, and that's what you guys have to understand with YouTube. It's not short term, it's a long-term game, and you have to be able to be consistent. So then I started by creating a name, logo, and finding a banner for my YouTube, for my second channel. So from there, I looked for free music, classical music, lo-fi music, something chill, and also to sleep to. And what I realize is you have to be careful with Creative Commons. Some do allow for it to be monetized if you give them credit. Some do not allow to get money from it. They don't allow you to get monetized. And if you actually use that beat or that song, all the money will go over to the creator of it. But yeah, so you have to be careful. You have to be aware of what you're doing and not break any of the guidelines that YouTube has. And if you want to stick around and find out how this goes, you know, smash that like button and destroy that subscribe button. You know, I greatly appreciate it. Also, if you want to help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views on my other channel, Chill Mellow Music, which I'll link down below, and you know, see my progress, see what happens. Maybe you can get into this and make some extra cash, who knows. But I'll let you know down in the comments where to click. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. Stay safe, stay blessed, and have a good weekend.